upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that makes your purchasing decisions as easy as pie. Today, we're putting two robotic vacuums head-to-head, the eufy X8 Pro and the roborock Q5 Max Plus. Will it be a clean sweep for one of these contenders? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The eufy X8 Pro comes in at a cool $649. On the other hand, the roborock Q5 Max Plus is priced at $599. So if you're looking to save a quick $50, roborock might just be the one to rock your socks off. But wait, there's more to consider than just price. Both vacuums promise to keep your hands free and your floors clean. The eufy X8 Pro offers 45 days of hands-free cleaning with its 2.5L dust bin. But roborock Q5 Max Plus says, "Hold my dust bag," with a whopping 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. That's like the difference between a long weekend and a full-blown vacation. Now, let's talk about suction power, because nobody likes a weak sucker. The eufy X8 Pro boasts twin turbine suction with 2 times 4,000 pascals. Impressive, right? Well, roborock Q5 Max Plus decided to up the ante with a jaw-dropping 5,500 PA hyperforce suction. It's like bringing a leaf blower to a dust fight. The eufy X8 Pro features a tangle-free roller brush with a pro detangle comb. Say goodbye to the dreaded hairball monster. But wait, the roborock Q5 Max Plus counters with its duo roller brush, designed to minimize tangling. It's like watching a wrestling match between two hairdressers. Who will come out detangle-free? Navigation is key for these little floor warriors. The eufy X8 Pro uses iPath laser navigation to create precise maps of your home. But roborock Q5 Max Plus says, "I see your laser and raise you a PreciSense LiDAR." It's like a GPS showdown. Who will find the cheese first? eufy X8 Pro lets you customize your cleaning with AI Map 2.0, including no-go zones and virtual boundaries. Meanwhile, roborock Q5 Max Plus offers voice and app control, syncing with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. Just say the magic word and your floor will be cleaner than a wizard's robe. Reviewers have a lot to say about both of these robotic vacuums. The eufy X8 Pro is praised for its strong suction power, efficient navigation, and user-friendly app. However, some users noted that the battery life could be better. On the other hand, the roborock Q5 Max Plus is lauded for its powerful suction, smart mapping, and seamless integration with smart home systems. Some users mentioned that it struggles with large particles and requires regular maintenance. So, smart shoppers, which robot vacuum gets your vote? The eufy X8 Pro with its twin turbine power and tangle-free brush? Or the roborock Q5 Max Plus with its 5,500 PA suction and voice control? Let us know in the comments below. Cheerful music playing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart. Screen fades to black, showing the Buy Smart logo. Outro music fades out.